So I already did my brow for this eye. So now I'm gonna take my concealer palette and I'm gonna take the white concealer right here to conceal this area in here to kind of cut that crease. So I want to thank you so much for joining. If you're new to my page, channel, wherever you're watching this at, I want to encourage you to like, follow, subscribe. After that, we're going to go ahead and grab our electric palette or whatever palette that you have that's going to give you a bright pink like Savage. And we're just going to pick that up with a really fluffy blending brush. And then we're just going to take that and blend it around this edge. And you can even tap that around to start. Just kind of really tap it just to deepen the color. And then you can blend it, you know, once you've got it, whichever color, deepness or depth of the color you would like to have that in. Today I'm going to be using the Iman pressed powder in, I think this is Earth Medium. Okay, I'm just gonna take my pressed powder and just around those edges, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in around those edges just to kind of contain that pink and make sure that pink don't get out of hand and to keep it from taking over my whole eye and just looking like too much, like looking overwhelming. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that around the edges and just blend that out like so. I'm gonna grab the Masquerade palette and we're just gonna take that pink Bori color and we're going to press that down here because it has a little pink shimmer to it. It's really cute. It's not gonna do a whole bunch with this look, but just in case, you know what I mean, just in case somebody can see that good. And to grab Zobo right here, take that and we are going to press that into this area, almost like the crease area, and we're just going to work that into the crease area really good. We just want to deepen up that area right out here, so we're just going to go ahead and kind of press that into this area to deepen this area up. So if you didn't know, I am Quayla. I go by Vicariously Me for my beauty page, but I also am a musician. Music has always been my #1 passion, and so I'd like to share that with you. I did recently release my Unconditional EP, and I would love it if you want to go and download that EP on my website. I know you're going to love the music, and you can follow the journey by signing up for my email list. Anyway, I'm going to take my white concealer again, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that concealer onto the eye. Gonna do now is we're gonna grab the flat brush that I use for this next step. You're gonna take your setting spray or whatever you have available. Go ahead and spray that brush. So we're taking Savage still, and we're just gonna use that on this area. We're just gonna pat that onto the concealer. Actually, this is my first time using this. I actually kind of like it. Like, it's doing a good job. Too Faced glitter glue. So I just took a little bit of that, put it on this flat brush, and I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna spread this all over the eyelid, right over top of where I put the Savage. Try not to get your lashes. I don't know how sticky it is as far as your lashes goes, but just, you know, to be on the safe side, try not to get your lashes with this. I'm gonna immediately go into my glitter. I'm using the Sally Girl glitter. It's the pink one. I don't know what they're called. Let's see. I don't know what it's called. It's the pink one though. It's the Sally Girl in the tube, the pink one. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that on the same brush that I used the glitter glue on. I'm gonna dip the glitter glue, the brush into the glitter, and we're going to go ahead and pack that onto the eye. And just very tapping motions, you wanna pack that on. Fill in any gaps before you move on, just so that the glue doesn't like dry. Oh my God, just look at the beauty of this. Just look at that beauty. Just look at that gorgeousness. You see it? Do you see it? Like, do you see the beauty that's happening right now? It's so gorgeous. And so now that we've got that glitter on, I'm just gonna go ahead, give this a few minutes to kind of dry on its own. So I'm just gonna take that brush that we used for that color Zobo, I think it was, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use that over here on this end, just to kind of fade out some of that concealer. After that, I'm gonna grab my fluffy brush that I used for Savage, and I'm just gonna go out here again real quick. Oh no, see that glitter trying to move? See, that's what we not about to do. Whew. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my gel cream liner by Wet n Wild and a eyeliner up in this piece. This looks like the one. Liner brush, and we're gonna go ahead and line this eye first with the cream liner, and then we'll go back with liquid liner to clean it up. Sometimes it can get messy trying to line your eye with glitter, so sometimes you gotta go over it more than once, okay? So this is like a base liner right here. I could be great if I go get better liners. That is my goal for the month of February, is to invest in a better eyeliner, a better liquid eyeliner and a better cream eyeliner. So if you know of a really good liquid eyeliner and a really good cream eyeliner, please suggest me, let me know down below in the box. You know what I noticed earlier today? That it seems like I'm always dropping my high-end foundation on the ground, or dropping it somehow. I dropped my Fenty Beauty foundation today, and I have already like demolished my Lancome foundation. Yeah, boo, I broke a bottle, a Lancome foundation bottle. I had two, so it wasn't, you know, it wasn't like a tragedy because I had two of them, but it still was enough to be like, girl, what's wrong with you? And so then again today, I dropped my Fenty. What's wrong with you? Like, get it together, boo. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Lancome Monsieur, Big Monsieur. I love this mascara. I like it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the top lash. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm gonna start with my Smashbox primer. And then I'm gonna follow it up with my Step 1 primer by Makeup Forever. I'm gonna put that in the areas where I kind of in my T-zone area. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Lancome Stilo eyeliner. I'm going to go back to my Sky Glitter liner, and we're going to go ahead and line the center of the lower lash line. I'm going to go into Jilted and Urban in the Urban Decay palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush those lightly. So today for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty in 420. I'm going to spray this foundation brush that I'm going to be using. I have that on there, and I'm just going to go ahead and press this into the skin. Concealer today, my True Match Super Blendable Concealer Crayon, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that concealer under the eye. I just don't need to do a lot up there, but just a little bit. I've used a brush like this on my concealer. It actually works pretty decent, you know what I mean? Like, it does pretty good work. Patrick Star Powder is basically holy grail now, so yeah. Oh my god, you see how that just melts into the skin the moment you place it? Contouring with my Black Radiance palette, and of course this is in medium to dark. Let's figure out what kind of lip we gonna do, and then we're done. So for the lippy, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip with this brown lip liner. Now I noticed I forgot to put on my highlight, so I'm just gonna take the Black Radiance Contour Palette. I'm gonna take my highlighter brush, and I'm just gonna use the highlighter from the contour palette. Take my Vivid Hot Lacquer in Unreal, and I'm going to use this as my lip. that is the end of this look. That's how I create this beautiful little look. You can use this great for birthdays, prom, Valentine's Day, any type of occasion that's coming up. You can definitely, you know, take this look and transform it and make it yours for whatever reason and whatever purpose. Again, my name is Quayla. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, like my page. And also, if you're interested in hearing my music, you can go to my website at www.quayla.com to find out more about my music and to download my Unconditional EP. Can't wait to see you next time. But until then, I want you to stay healthy, happy, and always loving. Bye.
Sun dipped skin, lick me, I'm golden, honey, baby, Florida.